In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your schedule from Calendly. This process is straightforward, but there are a few steps to ensure everything is just right. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to access your Calendly dashboard. If you haven't yet, go ahead and log into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your dashboard. This is your central hub on Calendly, where you can view all your upcoming appointments and events. This area is essential for managing your scheduling effectively. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to export your schedule. Look for an option on the screen that allows you to export or download your schedule. This option is usually found in the Settings or Features section. When you select this, Calendly will download a file containing all your appointments. Typically, this will be in a format like CSV or PDF. These formats are quite versatile and are supported by various programs that you may have on your computer. Now that you have your schedule file downloaded, it's time to open it with a compatible program. If your file is in PDF format, you can use a PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat to open it. For CSV files, you might want to open them in a spreadsheet program such as Excel, which is great for viewing and making any necessary adjustments to your data. After opening the file, take a close look at the schedule to make sure it's exactly what you want before you print it. Check details like dates, times, and any other event-specific information. At this point, you might also want to adjust some print settings. Consider the paper size or orientation that best fits your needs. If you're printing a PDF, your PDF reader should provide these options. For Excel or similar programs, check under the print preview to ensure everything lines up neatly on the page. Finally, it's time to print your schedule. Use the print function in whatever program you have opened your schedule with. In most applications, you can find this in the File menu under Print. Make sure your printer is on and ready to go, and double check that you've selected the correct printer if you have more than one at your disposal. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to printing your Calendly schedule. This simple yet effective process ensures you have a physical copy of your appointments ready whenever you need it. Following these steps precisely will help you maintain an organized view of your schedule and ensure you're prepared for all your upcoming events. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful. See you in the next video.